Good morning. It is August 25th. It's Al Robinson at First Trust Mortgage, and the subject of today is comparing rent payment to a mortgage payment. And I think there's some differences in there that most people know about, maybe a few things that they don't. So I wanted to dive deeper in the rent versus own conversation. And before we get started, I do have a white paper I produced last year on renting versus buying. So if you'd like a copy of that, just email me or call me, text me, whatever. 954-415-6133, or my email is Allen, ALLEN, at ftmcloans.plural.com. So let's go further into renting. I think it's best that you rent when you are not sure about your job. You're not sure if you're staying in the particular location that you're at, and maybe you're not quite comfortable with ownership, and it could be an emotional thing versus an analytical financial thing. So let's talk what happens when you pay rent. You pay a rent check. You don't have to worry about maintenance. You don't get an interest tax deduction like you do on a mortgage. You don't get to deduct your real estate tax expense. Your landlord does, because your landlord has a mortgage probably. Your landlord pays real estate taxes. Your landlord pays maintenance, because when things go wrong, they're responsible. So the good news is you don't have to worry about it. It's sort of, I guess it's like putting a warranty on your car, and that you're paying a little bit more in rent so that the landlord can pay for things when they go wrong. So on the mortgage, on the other side, what's happening is you're getting those tax deductions, and your loan amount keeps going down every payment that you make. And typically in most markets for the last 100 years, the value of your property goes up. So as you see, as property values go up, your equity position gets more because your loan is going down. Conversely, when you rent, the landlord's value of his property goes up, and you get the privilege of having your rent go up typically every year. So you can see there's a subtle but dramatic difference between home ownership and paying rent. If you'd like to dive deeper in the advantages and disadvantages of each, give me a call, or you could always visit my website at borrowsmart.biz, B-I-Z. Have a great day.